I think naka-screen
Can we
record na ako.
just talk?
Oh yeah, naka-screen record na ako.
You think?
I think.
You think. Yeah, you think.
Yeah.
Since when did you start thinking, bro?
Last year.
You crazy, bro.
Bruh.
That's not normal, bro.
Bruh.
That's, bro.
Bruh. I have
bro?
5 pickaxe. Wait, no. I have, yeah.
Are you like okay ka lang? Okay ka lang? Are you okay? Do you need help?
No.
You look like you do. You sound like you do need utang. Like, what the I was about to die to a zombie, bro. You didn't even help me, bro. I thought we were.
I ayoko na talaga magsalita. Bisit ka. Wag ka mag-English! English kasi ng English. English ka kasi ng English. English.
Why, bro? What happened, bro?
I'm gonna ignore you.
Do you have leash, bro?
Ipa-prioritize ko yung enchantment table mo kaysa sa sayo. I prioritize your enchantment table instead of you.
It's enchanting table, bro.
Shut up. Meron. Madami.
No, like,
Sa bahay.
yeah, I know, right? Wow.
Dun.
Naririnig ko, I hear kung tayo talaga.
Are you crazy?
Yeah.
Ba't mo naiisip
Crazy
si
for him,
Edchan
bro.
sa akin? What do you think? Why you think not? What's wrong with you? You're crazy, bro.
I don't know, bro. I see him on you. I think you're cursed by Eggchan, bro. Do you have fence?
Fence? I can craft some.
Do you have fence, bro? Yeah, craft some, bro.
Okay.
Wait. Oh my god. I'm at a very low percentage, bro.
Ilan kailangan mo? I'll give you 6. 6, 7.
Fuck you.
Ay. Saan ka?
Then we go to oh shit. Wait, can you like keep bro? Like keep I need those, bro. I need those.
Oh my gosh! Hala,
I need those.
natitinda siya ng emerald. Okay.
Lahat naman eh. Are you okay? Do you need help?
I mean like, ini-exchange niya yung emerald for hay bales.
Same thing sa cactus noon dun sa bahay mo. Hello?
No?
Okay ka lang? Yes, bro.
No.
Bro.
That was
needs hay
that
bales for freaking.
di talaga emerald yun. Emeralds for
No,
cactus.
No, cause like when you need emeralds, I got it from trading a hay bale for it, bro.
Okay, paki ko.
I need a little
Wag ka na mag-English! Nakakasira ka ng video!
No, bro. I'ma do it my own way.
Wag na mag-video, wag na, aalisin ko to.
Wag na.
Wag na.
Ganun. Do you hate me, bro?
Yeah,
Do you
I
hate
do.
me that much, bro?
Hindi mo ba napansin?
We're not gonna
Halata
getting
ba?
married, bro. The
Halata.
fuck you mean I do?
Yuck! Yes, I do,
Bro
dinosaur.
thinks that she has a chance on me, bro. Bro saying I do.
Papatayin ko tong...
Why, bro? Why?
Hey! Belle.
I got it! I got it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got it, bro. I got it. Wait, I got it, bro. I got it, bro. I got it. I got it, bro. Bro, I got it. I got it. I got it, bro. Bro, I got it.
Pengi isang hay ball. Hay ball. I want hay ball.
No, like, what the okay, you can get one. Just one, okay. But I got it, bro. I got it.
Aww.
I got what I need, bro.
Baho.
I got what I need, bro. Gago. So we're gonna continue, bro. Let's go, bro. Do you have the fence, bro? Tangina, wag na, sige. May fence ka na dyan?
Oo, bakit? Ano gagawin natin?
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, we need a boat. Oh, wait, no. Oh, wait, yeah. I wait, no.
Yeah, ay.
Come on, follow me, bro.
Where we going, bro?
We're going to Shy's house, bro.
Why, bro?
Because, bro, we're gonna do something evil, bro.
Bro, okay, bro. I'm sweating, bro.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Ano problema mo? Ang
You don't
init-init
got to tell
ng...
me, bro.
Ang
I know,
init-init,
bro.
ang init-init ng weather
Well,
ngayon.
I
Tapos
didn't-
sasabihin mo, what?
I didn't.
Question mo yung ano, question mo yung
I
ano.
I wasn't asking. That's so weird, bro. We gotta find, what's this?
Wait, I can
What
see.
the fuck?
What's this?
Basahin mo.
Go, go, ga.
Gaga!
Yeah, wag ka nga dito.
Fuck you.
Ay, hindi ka
We're looking for
naging...
a
This
specific kind of animal, bro.
This is a family friendly video. You can't say that. Yeah.
Oh, we found Epa, bro. We found Epa. Real.
Who the fuck is this?
Oh. That's Epa, bro. That's Epa.
Ew.
Now, what we're gonna do to Epa is that we put her on a leash.
Ano
Now,
problema mo?
we shall go. What the hell?
Gutom ka siguro, kakapatay mo yan ng mga animals. Tara.
May 58 nga akong beef dito eh. May steak ako dito.
Ay, okay.
No,
I'm gonna do
I like
something.
slaughtering animals, bro.
Okay.
Oh, Epa! Asan ka, Epa?
Oink, oink.
Come on, Epa. Let's go, Epa. Kung gusto mo may kwenta ka.
Di ko makita yung ano difference yung dalawa. Sino dyan yung Paimbo? Ay! Bastos. What's that?
Okay, Epa is staring at my
Uy, ano
steak,
yun?
bro. I think Epa is
Uy, ano
hungry,
yun?
hungry,
Uy, ano
bro.
yun? Ano yun?
Yan. I don't know, bro.
Ooh, look, it's my house. That's my house. Kaya pala dito ka pumupunta, bastos ka.
Asan?
Ayun no. Ayun no. Oh, kitang-kita mo. Ang ganda naman ng
Lighthouse.
Ang ganda naman ng render distance mo.
Bro, that's not where Laurie's house is, bro.
Where? War.
Follow me, bro. I got it. I got you, bro. I got you.
Yeah.
I know. I got you. Oh,
Wag ka kumanta.
you're
Wag ka
my
kumanta.
star.
Wag ka kumanta. Ay, bastos.
We shall take it right here.
Uy, look what I'm eating. Look at my eating. Look what I'm eating. Look what I'm eating.
Gago. Tapos bigla natin napatay si Epa.
Okay lang yan. Hindi naman sa atin yan. Uy, asan si Epa?
Epa 2.0! Epa! Epa, you stupid.
Oo.
Naiinis ako.
Oo. She not a bitch. That's a pig, not a dog.
Ano problema mo? Bakit hanggang nga hinahawak mo? You're traumatizing Epa, bro.
Epa, look at me.
Bro,
Look.
thanks. Epa! Tino-torture mo na si Epa. Come on, Epa. Let's go, Epa. We will torture you more.
Ang pangit. Ano? Bagal-bagal nito. Papatayin ko.
Bastos ka. Come on, Epa.
Ano to? Gidiya pang ding-dong. Ha?
Ay, for sure, nandito na talaga tayo sa base nila. Uri na iinis ako dyan. Eto bahay ni ano yan, yung jowa ni Kuya Geng Geng, si ate.
Wow!
Ay, hindi,
Aww!
kay Ate Cristo.
Ah!
Yung kay ate, jowa ni...
Aww! Ay! Kino-compliment ko nga. Bastos ka. It's so pretty. I like it.
Yes.
Wow, ang galing.
Sila cottage sa kanila. Ako gagawa ako ng empire ko.
Wow. What's this? Kanino to? Kay Laulaw?
Mag-ingat. Cute ang may-ari ng base nito.
Uy,
Hindi na cute pag nalaman ni Shai na... Hoy, tumatalon lang siya.
Okay. Kayo. Oh, I wanna ride that thing.
What? Oh, bro, they're gonna get angry at us, bro.
Sorry, bro. How do I get down, bro?
You sneak, crouch, shift, crouch. Putang, tumalon ka.
Ow! Nakakasakit yung tubig nila.
What the hell?
The water is evil.
Oh, we got the dirt, bro. Give me the fence, bro. Give me the fence.
Yeah. Ubusin mo yung
Oh,
lahat,
we're gonna do evil deeds, bro. We're gonna do evil deeds, bro. Do you have extra dirt with you?
Oh, actually, I have a lot. Kunin mo, nasa loob ni Epa.
Siyempre. Nasa loob ni Epa. Ay, putang Wow. Yeah, they are so cooked.
Gawin mong very high. What if mahulog siya? We're cooked. Gagawa tayo ng bagong Epa.
Gagawa na yung bagong Epa. She'll survive, bro. She'll survive this, bro.
Oh my gosh. I don't like that. That's so scary. Tapos remove natin yung dirt. Oh, what's that?
Wait, don't remove the dirt, bro.
May ano dun, no? May letter.
Puto, paano ko makikita? Anong pinagsasabi mo? Oh, wait, bro. Takot ako sa phantom.
Ba't duling yung aso nila?
Gago. You're such a hater, bro.
Duling nga yung
Tingnan ko. Wow. I feel insulted. You're insulting me, bro. You're insulting me, bro.
Asan na? Dapat daw yung taas. Isasalo kita. May water dito.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait lang. Kinakabahan ako.
Ito wag. Asan
I'm
yung,
gonna water clutch, bro.
asan yung pig? Nasa left or right? Kasi magka-campfire ako.
Nasa kamay ko.
Asan nga?
Hawak ko ang pig. Hawak ko ang... Lahat ng tiyan ko. Is this high enough, mama?
No. Height limit. Punta
No.
ka sa highlight limit.
Height limit, okay. Oh, I see the clouds, mama. I see the clouds. I see the clouds, mama.
That's
Mama, I
great.
see the clouds.
That's great, and that's great. Yeah.